Dear friends, today I want to share with you a simple yet powerful Zen story that teaches us how to remain calm and steady, even in the chaos of life. Let's begin. One day, a young disciple went to his Zen master with a troubled mind. He said, "Master, my thoughts are always restless. Whenever life throws challenges at me, I lose my peace. How can I stay calm and steady, no matter what happens?" The master smiled and said, "Come with me." The master led the disciple to a nearby river. The water was flowing swiftly, creating ripples and crashing against the rocks. The master pointed to a large rock in the middle of the river. "Do you see that rock?" he asked. "Yes, master," replied the disciple. The master continued, "Look at how the water rushes around the rock. No matter how strong the current is, the rock remains firm and unmoved. It doesn't resist the water, nor does it let the current carry it away. It simply stays still, letting the river flow around it." The disciple observed the rock carefully, noticing how steady it remained despite the raging waters. The master then turned to the disciple and said, "Life is like this river. It is full of challenges, distractions, and chaos. If you allow yourself to be swept away by every situation, you will always feel restless. But if you develop an unmovable mind, like this rock, you will remain calm and steady, no matter how turbulent life becomes." Curious, the disciple asked, "Master, how can I develop such a mind?" The master replied, "By practicing mindfulness and detachment. Do not cling to the past. Do not fear the future, and do not resist the present. Accept everything as it comes and let it pass. When you do this, your mind will become as steady as this rock." The disciple bowed deeply, thanking his master for the wisdom. From that day, he began practicing mindfulness, and over time, he learned to stay calm and steady, no matter what life threw at him. Dear friends, this story teaches us that true peace comes from within. When we stop resisting life and learn to accept it with a steady mind, we discover strength and clarity. If this story inspired you, please like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more meaningful stories. Don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next story.